Hi guys, George here. We have a new project. It's 1984 BMW M3 and 1986 BMW M6. In both projects we changed the seat upholstery to Alcantara leather with an original pattern, and in the M3 we also replaced the door panels with the same design.
The 1986 BMW M6 E24 is an iconic model in BMW's history, known for blending luxury and high performance. The 1986 BMW M6 is powered by a 3.5-liter inline-six engine, derived from the engine used in the BMW M1. This engine, known as the S38 in North America, produced 256 horsepower in US spec and up to 282 horsepower in European versions.
The 1984 BMW M3, which was part of the E30 generation of BMW 3 Series, is an iconic model that helped establish BMW's reputation for producing high-performance sports sedans. Here are some interesting facts about the 1984 BMW M3 E30. The BMW M3 was originally developed as a homologation special for Grupa touring car racing. This required BMW to build at least 5,000 road cars to qualify for racing, which led to the creation of the M3. To improve aerodynamics and performance, the M3's body was heavily modified compared to the standard E30. It featured wider fenders, a larger rear spoiler, a more aggressive front air dam, and a redesigned rear window angle to improve airflow. Unlike the standard E30 models, the M3 featured the S14 engine, a high-revving, naturally aspirated 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. It produced 192 horsepower in its road-going version, which was a lot for the time. The E30 M3 became one of the most successful touring cars of all time, dominating DTM Deutsche Tourenwagen Meisterschaft and winning numerous championships, including the World Touring Car Championship in 1987. BMW produced around 17,970 units of the E30 M3 between 1986 and 1991, making it a highly desirable and collectible model today. The 1984 M3, being one of the earliest, is especially rare. To get more information, feel free to call me at 3104-3580-417.